Hey guys, today we have a ProForm 535x Treadmill, and it is in excellent shape, clean top to bottom, and Ellie's going to be helping us out. Ellie, go ahead and jump up there. We're going to show you that everything on it is working perfectly. So I've got my iPad just sitting up here just as a kind of show you what it looks like with an iPad. Of course, you can put your phone, you can put a bigger iPad, smaller iPad, but or a book even. But it's a perfect spot for the iPad. All right, so Ellie, first we're going to show them that, of course, it just works perfect here. We've got the safety key in. Go ahead and hit 2 on there for me. That's a quick speed, so it quickly takes you to that speed. And hit start. Yep, there you go. Now down here you can see belt's moving great. Back up just a little bit. There you go. The belt's been professionally adjusted so that it doesn't slip. There's no slack in it. If you're going at like a 4 and you step down real hard, it's not going to skip underneath your feet. That's one thing you always want to look for when you're buying something secondhand. And of course, I always check for all of that on treadmills that I sell. Okay, so we know the speed's working great. I'll go ahead and hit that incline button as you go here. Keep kicking it up so they can see it go up. I know you can hit it faster than that. Come on. Click, click, click. There you go. You can see the incline going there. It's going smooth and fast. All right, go back down. It's very quick to incline, which is great. Not waiting around on it. Okay, there's a little noise by your feet, and that's because she's stepping on the very top, which you're not supposed to do. But it goes away when you come back a little bit. Of course, she's a little bit shorter. You've got some program options, tons of different things. You can pause and kind of read through all of that. But all your basic features here, if you want to go really fast, you can kick up very quickly, or you can go in increments down. It's going to tell you if you hold on to these here, go ahead and hold on to those. See, it's going to grab that heart rate, which it's a little hard for me to believe her heart rate's 185. There we go, 134. That's a little bit more accurate. Let's see, you've got your distance, laps, time, and incline, segment time. Of course, if you're doing a program, you can do all of that. You've got a couple of cup holders on the sides there. All right, so Ellie, show them what happens if you pull that red key out there. Boom, it's going to shut down very quickly. Nice safety feature. Go ahead and put it back in. Turns everything back on, and you'd start over at this point. But all the safety features are intact. Got a nice spot there for the iPad. And I think we've shown off everything here. Oh, one more thing. Ellie, go ahead and hop off. Can you lift it up and do the storing feature? You got a little deal. You just pull out on this. Go ahead and close it. Let go. And there it is. Nice tucked away for storage. So, good to go. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate it, and you guys have a great day.